Imagine a world where your energy supply is not only reliable but also affordable. With the LostGenerator, that world is within your reach, and it's just a click away. Harness the power of innovation with the LostGenerator, perfectly suited for homes, campsites, and various lifestyles seeking energy independence. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or simply wish to lower expenses, this device offers a path to significant savings, cutting electricity bills by as much as 90%. With a straightforward assembly process that takes just a couple of hours, even those without technical skills can effortlessly put it together. Imagine having the ability to tap into renewable sources like solar, wind, and thermal energy, allowing you to enjoy reliable backup power while making a positive environmental impact. Are you ready to embrace a lifestyle powered by renewable energy? The LostGenerator has already gained the trust of many satisfied users who share their positive experiences. Lisa from Colorado experienced its reliability firsthand during frequent power outages, applauding its effectiveness in minimizing her carbon footprint. Similarly, Michael, an adventure enthusiast, relishes the generator's portability, bringing it along on camping trips to ensure he never runs out of power for his devices. Susan, another enthusiastic user, highlights the smart app included with the generator, which empowers her to manage her energy consumption effortlessly, maximizing efficiency while reducing costs. But what truly sets the LostGenerator apart is its commitment to user-friendly design and ease of assembly. Included with your purchase are comprehensive blueprints and schematics that provide detailed guidance for construction, ensuring every user can successfully build their own generator. The package also features a straightforward manual and parts list, allowing for a seamless building experience that demystifies the process completely. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a novice, you'll find the supportive materials invaluable in your journey toward energy independence, making clean energy accessible for everyone who dares to embrace it. When you choose the LostGenerator, you are not just investing in a product, you're investing in a sustainable future. The eco-friendly design not only reduces your energy costs but also plays a crucial role in lowering your carbon footprint. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing you are contributing to a healthier planet while enjoying all the comforts of home. As power outages become more commonplace and energy prices fluctuate, having a reliable backup like the LostGenerator allows you to maintain your lifestyle uninterrupted. Plus, with its compact size and low maintenance requirements, it seamlessly fits into any home or outdoor setting. Take the first step towards energy independence, make the LostGenerator yours today and feel empowered by the energy choices you make. As you embark on your journey with the LostGenerator, you'll also find peace of mind in its satisfaction guarantee. This ensures your commitment to a greener lifestyle is risk-free. Now is the perfect time to take control of your energy needs and make a positive change for the environment. With the LostGenerator, you're not just investing in a device, you're investing in a sustainable future filled with reliable energy solutions tailored to meet your lifestyle demands.